Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. That's a nice one. Let's start fastly. Okay, at least we need these things. We need to create a rectangle, or we need to create a circle. Hold shift when you're creating that, so your circle is created. Then reduce its size by shift. Align it center and align it middle. Now bring it down. Then just simply align its center. Now you need to do something. Have this text, paste it here. Okay, we have the text. Now we need to make a contrast and different. You can always create the slides that I create in white, in black. Let me give you some example of that. Set the shape outline to none. Format the background to black. Now just simply copy that and apply it to all. Increase it. Copy the text. Paste it here. And color it what? Color it black. And set the transition to morph. Your amazing slide is ready, but you need to make it color black here. Okay, let's take a look. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.